state of a startup nation has never been better. Today, Israel is well recognized as the world's second Silicon Valley, with an unprecedented number of startups. Almost $5 billion will be invested in about 800 venture-backed companies this year. We're at a record year of exits, billions of dollars of exits, hundreds of companies of multinational size coming and setting up research and development activities in Israel. Israel leading the world in a whole variety of disciplines, whether it's water and next generation ag tech, whether it's solar energy or cybersecurity, big data and analytics, moving into consumer areas such as fashion and cool new toys and games. Israel has it all. I think there's no more appropriate time than now for Wharton to be focusing on this unique Israeli ecosystem. What makes it tick? Why is Israel generating so much startup activity? Why is the world waking up to this? And you're seeing just enormous investment flows from China and parts of Asia, and seeing unprecedented Israeli company liquidity on public markets both in New York, London, and elsewhere. Moreover, I understand that the Wharton Conference is going to engage in another important question, which is how is changes in financial technology, and in particular crowdfunding, going to impact this growing ecosystem? For this is a question which is close to my heart. Crowdfunding is changing the world of financial innovation, and in particular, how startups are becoming funded. More and more, the crowd is taking its place alongside venture capital and traditional angel and corporate venture to become a significant chunk of this funding. Here in Israel, OurCrowd has grown to be the largest single crowdfunding platform for equity in the world. And we are very, very proud to be funding a whole slew of Israeli companies. Over 60 of our 80 company portfolio are based here in Israel. And crowdfunding not only promises to be an additional source of great funds for these companies, but also great help and great assistance that we call crowd building, where individuals, members of the crowd, can roll up their sleeves and help these companies with introductions as well as other added value activities. So there's never been a better time to be looking in at the Israeli ecosystem, trying to understand why Israel, despite the fact that last year fought a 50-day war, is now experiencing record investment flows and record exit and liquidity, where now companies such as Teva have reached $100 billion market cap, where there's a crop of 12 new Israeli unicorns, companies that have exited for $1 billion plus or minus over the last 2 and some odd years. This is the time for this incredibly important topic of Israel technology and innovation to be focused on, in the lieu of a world which understands how important technology is and how important technology finance can be, and wants to learn from what Israel is doing in this important area.